Hello, let's remember what the graph of our absolute value function looks like. And just for a rough sketch, it looks something like that in blue. If we take a look at number 9, please remember what our transformation does to the graph. If we have 3 being subtracted from inside the function, then that will shift our graph 3 units to the right. And again, a very rough sketch, maybe it looks something like that. If we take a look at letter B here, there are 2 things being done to our graph. Our function is being multiplied by 2, and the entire function has 3 being subtracted from it. Now this minus 3 means our graph will be shifting downward 3 units. So I'm going to go ahead and put the minimum of our graph downward 3 units. Now this 2 right here is making our graph, our absolute value graph, grow twice as fast. Our graph will look something like that. Notice that this graph is growing at a faster rate, twice as fast than our base graph here. So this was a quick video. This concludes the 4th part to our Chapter 3 review, our Project 4.